Hello friends, today we will talk about WhatsApp automation, how we can manage your Facebook lead to WhatsApp automation and Google Sheet automation. So guys, what happened exactly? Most of the times each and every business owners running their Facebook ads and generated leads. But what happened, all leads you are coming today, and then your sales team or your digital marketing team will be downloaded this all leads on tomorrow morning, and then you will start the calling them and start converting. But what happened in between this time, you are yesterday someone putting your leads, and tomorrow if you will call them, and in this between time they are lost your customers, because some people not remembering they are putting this leads or not. So guys, in this automation process, what we will do, if anyone put your Facebook leads, within a second this lead will becomes to your sales team WhatsApp number or your any person WhatsApp number, and it's automatically saved in your Google Sheet. So guys, this automation will be helpful for you to convert most of the leads into sales. So we will meet in the other side. Thank you so much.